Dr. Velumani, you've been stressing on testing, and I have seen everywhere that I have traveled to that either laboratories are not collecting samples or there's a 4 to 5 day gap between the time you give your swab and the time you get your sample. And as Shahid was saying, in that crucial time, you will not get admission to a hospital because you don't have a COVID positive result. Not just is this increasing the chance of fatalities, it's increasing the chance that we don't actually know how many people have COVID and what we're actually dealing with here.
Yeah, Barka, it's very sad that if you talk to any panel discussion anywhere happening, all the panelists have someone in the ICU, either close family or distant family. This is the worst ever time one can even imagine. This is a country where 90% of the people's death is not recorded as what is actual reason. It is written by the doctor. There is no support for it. So in India, if somebody says this is the death rate because of this disease, it's just, it was unbelievable even from Rajiv Gandhi days to Manmohan days until today. And I must tell you here, these three words are very closely interconnected. Trust, truth, transparency. If there is no truth, you can't be transparent. And if there is no truth and transparency, there is no trust. And if you have lost trust, you have lost everything. You have lost health, you have lost everything. I'm telling you, for the last 400 days, without a single day holiday, all employees are working in the organization. Different governments had audacity to ban us for no reason without even giving any so-called notice. We had to go to High Court, fight for it, get it reversed, and there was no apology. I must tell you, this is worst ever situation one can imagine. It's very painful. Numbers tested are not correct. We have received not less than from 200 district collectors calling and telling, don't pick up COVID business. You pick up COVID, we will stop even non-COVID. Verbal, telephone. Trust me, it is all going to be a very big story unfolding once this virus second wave goes down. You asked any laboratory, problems are there. We are told, as Dr. just now said, you shouldn't be doing more than this much. In fact, in good number of cases, the question asked, why your laboratory is reporting more positive than other local laboratory? I don't think I have to elaborate more on it. I have said, this is worst ever phase in life. I have lost my 5 family members in the last 10 years for various problems. I never cried. For the last 2 days, it is very, very painful.
I'm sorry, sir. Have you lost people you love as well to COVID? I don't think anybody.
No, this was 10 years story. They all died before 2020. So that was natural death. You accept natural death. But this is murder. Depriving an oxygen and a person dying in front of your eyes. I must tell you, as the other panelists told, even that illiterate boy said, whom you interviewed, priorities are not right. Me, tu. Mera scorecard, tumhara scorecard. BJP tells Congress states are faring bad. Congress is telling BJP states are bad, as if this virus knows which political logo it should target. It was unnecessary bias against each other. It's very sad, very difficult to mention. No party is less. South, east, north, west, every political party is equally bad.